It has been absolute carnage in the markets the last few weeks. You've probably noticed. Today, we're going to talk about how to survive the cryptocurrency bear market. If this even is really a bear market, probably more just like a growth scare / mid-cycle bearish phase, but not the top. That comes later, not a multi-year, no highs for 4 years kind of thing. A downtrend, remember, doesn't necessarily mean a bear market, but functionally, fuck. This is some sick shit going on right now. It's what the heck? When we talk about bear market, obviously, this is at least a mini bear cycle. The question is if this is the big one from which prices will not recover for 4 years, no new highs for any of your coins for 4 years' time. I currently doubt that scenario. We'll start by assessing what the market is doing right now. After that, we're going to look at some solid survival strategies that are essential to have in mind just in case the worst unfolds or just to keep yourself sane during these rather irrational times in the market. So what the heck is actually going on right now with crypto markets? Well, the market is kind of weird. You've probably noticed. Here are the reasons why. We've had a series of the most insanely bullish cryptocurrency announcements you could possibly imagine. The United States of America is literally starting a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Banks are allowed to offer crypto services. Soon they'll be allowed to offer and make their own stable coins. A new regime at the SEC is going to bring in all kinds of altcoins and stuff like that. China's talking about a strategic reserve. FOMO is happening globally. Crypto just nailed it all. And yet, markets nuked. There's blood in the streets. We can't fight macro. Look, it's not confined to crypto. That's the problem. Stocks are down bad too. Tesla went down 50-some%. There's a crazy amount of political uncertainty in the air right now, which is mainly comes down to the newly elected disruptor in chief, Donald the Big Boy Trump. You could say Trump is just revealing cracks that were already there, but that's the topic. Whatever your views on Donald Trump, he does like to rock the boat, and we as investors have to deal with that uncertainty in the market. He and his team have actually been pretty clear about their plans for the U.S. economy. They're looking for short-term pain for long-term gains. They've got a lot of problems they need to fix, and that's what they're trying to do. They're okay with the stock market prices coming down. They're potentially okay with even starting some kind of recession. Not the most likely scenario in my mind still, but obviously the short-term dive in markets has got people spooked. So that all leaves us with the extremely positive long-term catalysts of rate cuts, weaker dollar, lower bond yields, property markets soaring, all that kind of stuff, even though prices are taking a hammer in the short term. Tax cuts, massive. On top of that, according to the 4-year Bitcoin cycle, we should actually be partway through the most bullish year, which, since everyone is now in full-on doomer mode, adds further to the sense of disorientation, but it's also not so out of whack with how things have happened in the past. Look back at 2017, we had similar market insanity. So are we now officially in a bear market? Well, definitely a possibility at this point. It looks more like we're simply in a big downtrend, a massive sell-off that will probably see higher prices later this year. Now, this could last for several months. Probably not the start of a massive crypto winter type situation, but if equity markets cool further, we could be. But regardless of where exactly we are, we need to think about what to do. When crypto's in a downtrend, how do you not just survive, but actually thrive during these times? Because you can still make money. Because whether it's a bear market or just a temporary trend, which again, I'm in the temporary trend boat, you can still be profitable. First off, the most basic rule of trading and investing is to buy low and sell high. Catching falling knives is a tricky business, so instead, you might want to go back to basics. Dollar cost average into tokens you want to be holding later in better market conditions. A lot of those coins that you would have loved to buy cheap are now cheap again. Now, Bitcoin, obvious, safe, long-term choice, is the only one that's really not going anywhere. To keep things simple, you could just stick with Bitcoin only. Bitcoin, maybe a few of the majors to get some Solana, whatever else, right? Great time as well because markets are a bit quieter. Research altcoins. A downtrend is the perfect time to research tokens, sectors, projects, platforms, whatever. Find some undervalued gems. There's going to be some stuff at great discounts right now. Stuff that launched late or didn't get enough attention or had attention but kind of lost it for one reason or another. That's real-world assets. That's AI, all that kind of stuff. And you might want to weigh up whether any of the new AI agents that appeared last year can make a comeback. Some of them probably can, particularly the framework stuff. DeFi protocols. You can take a look around new ecosystems, Sonic, Hyperliquid, Barachain, Movement Labs, see what's going on over in Aptos, what's going on over in Say. IOTA is coming back, okay? See how things are developing over there. Play around. Then depending on what you find, you might want to start dollar cost averaging into some of those low cap gems too, obviously risk adjusted. And there are more likely to be some, of course, meme coins that do have the potential to make comeback. You know, Moodang, that damn baby hippo, or the dead squirrel peanut. I mean, is this really going to go back to billions of dollars? I have my doubts. Pepe, Dogecoin, Maybe some others like Brett or Fartcoin, maybe, if you want to play that game again. Also, you can trade both ways in these markets, but before we get into that, one thing that regardless of market trends you're going to have to deal with is taxes. So a quick word from today's sponsor, which is COINTRACKING. Guys, the cheapest tool available for tracking your crypto taxes is COINTRACKING. There's no extra charge for generating previous year's tax reports. The free plan allows up for 200 transactions and lets you generate a tax report. You get lifetime access as well, and an unlimited plan is available. Look, taxes are a necessary reality of doing crypto. They're not going to go away, so you may as well take charge of the situation and do your gosh darn taxes. And COINTRACKING is making it super easy, guys. You can have 300 plus exchanges and wallets imported, the most precise and detailed tax reports that you can get. And this is country-specific data too. 12 country-specific tax reports, 100 plus countries supported, 25 customizable crypto reports, 24/7 customer support as well. So you get stuck, you have a question, there's people there who can help you, which is pretty damn cool. They are also the only company out there that offers backups as well as multiple sub-accounts and even advanced bulk data editors. And yes, of course, premium full service audits. They even have an ISO security certificate. Look, you can register without even an email. 100% anonymity, guys. Integrations with TurboTax, TaxHack, Drake, Wiso, Stewart. Use the link down below in the description right now, okay? You can sign up on COINTRACKING for free, and then when you go for a premium plan, you get a 10% discount and an extra 5% discount for paying with Bitcoin on any paid plan. And for a very limited time to celebrate tax season, you can actually get a 2-week free trial. Guys, tax season's like almost here, okay? Get your damn 2-week free trial. Check it out. It's going to save you a lot of stress and headache. To get the free trial, all you have to do is comment your username after starting your free account right down here in the comment section. Go check it out. Thank you for supporting our sponsors. Okay, now trading. Take time, learn a skill, figure it out. It's not rocket science, okay? You can short the markets in a downtrend. Basically means you bet on the prices going down. And actually, by learning how to trade both ways, you might even start looking forward to obvious downtrends and market crashes, as they can provide you with lots of profit potential as well. Every time you see a rally, fade that shit. Oh, is it retesting a 20-day EMA? Fade that shit, short it. Uptrending markets are great. They're better than down markets for a variety of reasons, but you can still make money in a down market too. As an example, look at how meme coins performed after the blow off tops. For anyone positioned short, it's profit all the way down, baby. Of course, trading like this is also risky. If you're in a leveraged position, you can get liquidated, but if you practice good risk management, don't use cross margin, use a stop loss, use only a small percentage of your trading account to trade any particular asset, you'll probably do fine. And you might just start to view the whole market from a whole new perspective. The fact that if you can look at the market and say, I can make money no matter what the market does, it's liberating. Another strategy too, since you have some time on your hands, the markets aren't crazy right now, farm some damn airdrops, man. Airdrops are one of the best things for making money in crypto. It's basically free money, just lands in your wallet because you were using DeFi protocols or using testnets, whatever it may be. So look, for future events, you can be part of these, especially now, as now no one's dialed in, nobody wants to do it. But we had huge distributions in the last year, like Hyperliquid, Jupiter, Pudgy Penguins. People made crazy money. There are further future airdrops coming from Sonic and Athena and dozens of unreleased protocols. For a list of possible airdrops, of course, you can sign up to the Wealth Master newsletter, link down below in the description, but also great websites like CryptoRank Airdrop Dashboard. You have DeFi Llama as well as the potential airdrop section. So you can go check those out. There's so many great airdrops out there to farm if you have extra time in your hands right now, because the market is damn boring. People literally made millions of dollars farming airdrops in the last couple of years. If you apply yourself to it, you can make good money too. You know, making some money here. You can also look at decentralized finance. You can provide liquidity, earn yield, and get to grips with DeFi, and you can earn passive yield from your stable coins, your Solana, your Ethereum, whatever it might be, by providing liquidity, which means you can be picking up both yield and points rewards at the same time to even help you get a future airdrop. Feeding, multiple birds with one scone, so to speak. Also, you can do this across chain, focusing on whichever networks you prefer. So you might want to take a look at what's happening on Base, what's happening on Sonic, Avalanche, Sui, Aptos. A lot of opportunities out there. Yields vary dramatically across protocols and chains, or use newer chains that have airdrop potential. You have protocols like Lombard Finance or Babylon, which are all leading the way here and are great products. Finally, don't forget, you can always just be looking beyond crypto. Now look, To be clear, I'm not saying you need to give up on crypto. It's a great market for making money when the markets are hot. There's nowhere else with the volatility and potential for insane gains as crypto. No market that's so wild and open. But just as you diversify a portfolio, you can diversify your income streams. Make sure your future dreams are not hooked exclusively to the crypto markets. Your hair's going to go gray, guys. Don't do it. Plus, the more income you have from a range of sources, the more comfortably you can allocate some of it to crypto. You're not going to be as worried about prices going down in the short term because you still have cash, so everything's fine. When it comes to paths you can access independently with just an internet connection, you might want to look at e-commerce, SEO services, content creation, leveraging AI for digital marketing. Google's online courses are out there. You get career certificates, all this kind of stuff. I mean, guys, you're on the fucking internet. The world's your oyster. It's never been more open and easy to make money online. Get to grips with AI, get ahead of the game. There's fortunes to be made out there beyond crypto, really. Also, if you've already taken decent profits from crypto, congratulations. Then as well, reallocating at lows becomes a thing you can do, or just buying stocks, buying real estate, acquiring businesses in real life, brick and mortar shit, man. Totally unrelated to crypto. Because little capital at your disposal, you can actually have your own financial launch pad. Now, whatever your plans are, though, a crypto downtrend, they pass, okay? Whether it's a short-term downtrend or a new multi-year bear market, new high prices will come. The only question is when. And they even provide actual opportunities for you as well. And if you take advantage of those opportunities, chances are you're going to thank yourself in the future for doing exactly that. Thanks for watching.